Just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man. Or just give me a call. Out here in beautiful Sequim, Washington, detailing one of my regulars. He's got this wonderful Infiniti. Did both packages on his car. Polished it and waxed it. Did the interior. Really well dressed and treated all the leather. Got mostly all of the dog hair out. Sometimes you can't get it all. But I gave it my best shot. Seats are all nice and shiny now and glowing. The treatment is soaking in. Always detailing every bit. Even the vents get detailed. Behind the steering wheel, in between the steering wheel, every little gadget, component. It's detailed inside there. These are tough to clean sometimes, but they get cleaned out as well. All the windows washed inside and out. All the glass washed. Door jambs washed. Rubber treated. It's got to be immaculate when I'm done. I'm very particular. So let's take a look at the outside of this beautiful car. It's got nice wheels. Always clean these wheels extra well. Clean inside of the get all the dust out of the inner wheel. Have to do that every 6 months or so, otherwise the dust kind of rusts the inner wheel. And so we took care of all 4 wheels of those, and all of the wheel wells have been washed very well and treated, the plastic treated on them. This color needs to be waxed, probably every 6 months or so. It's a tough color. If you're, the weather gets to it and the sun gets to it, it's gray. So, it's one of those colors that needs to be highly maintained, along with red and orange and burgundy. Oh my goodness, burgundy definitely has to be maintained. It's just certain colors that attract, and black too, that attract the heat of the sun, and it oxidizes the paint faster than others. If your car is white is a good color. It doesn't oxidize that quickly at all, and even if it did, you probably couldn't tell because of the color. White doesn't hold heat very well. So. Very nice little sports car. Everything detailed, all the in between the grill is wax. I put a nice wax inside there so it doesn't oxidize and get all gray. The front tray definitely has been waxed with a product that I use, a gel coat product, and because it was turning gray, including this rubber right here was turning gray. So I restored it. I restored all of the plastic and all of the rubber. This was turning gray. It was oxidizing. So I restored it. I buffed it out, and even including the windshield wipers. So they've been fully restored. This car is as new as it can be right now, and it's well protected for the next 6 months. And it's a lot easier to wash. Yeah, the customer, he let me know. He says, you know, it sure is a lot easier to wash when it has a good polish and wax job on it. And he's right, because what the wax does is it not only takes off the oxidation from the car, but it fills in, you know, the pores, because the paint gets porous, so it needs to be filled in with the wax itself. And that's what it does. And so, anyway, you guys have a great day. Have a great day.